We're back. Yeah, in the comfy chair with the lights blaring. It's a Willie Do pick. You're responsible for this, sort of. Yeah, he is. He's fully responsible. Don't let him shake the responsibility. He somehow got us in touch with another super crazy luxury phone. What the industry really needs is an even more expensive phone for the 0.0001% of individuals. Who are they? You know, who's buying? Anyway, let's just look at the thing and you can see for yourself what makes this so bananas, so crazy, so luxury, so wonderful. Hadoro. Look at the box first of all. What is this, wood? Yes, that is wood. Wood is good. Let's do it. That's wood. Oh. That is godly. Look at the offset cut so you can reach, you can lift. It's thought. That's what's going in there. That's what dollars get you. Thought. Hadoro by Feld & Volk. This is your service center. You can call them anytime. Look at the document, Jack. That is money. You pay money for a document with pen on it. I've said it before. I'll say it again. You paid cash. A lot of it. Hadoro Paris labeled. That's kind of fresh. Look at that. Boom. Hadoro Paris. You are not using just any other iPhone XS. No, can't make that mistake. Earpods included. This could be Apple's savior in China. This could be what they need to be doing, Jack. Oh, here he comes. Jack's coming around. There's Jack. Here he is. Leave this in. How much does this retail for? Well, before I open the box, what are we talking about? 5,600 USD. Remember, wood is good. Okay, here we go. Oh! It's got the skeleton dude with gold teeth. What? Of course, this is what this company does. They give you this custom look. This one is just straight bananas. Whoa! Look at his teeth up close. Jack, you need to come in there. It says UT on his teeth. U in white and T in red. That is an Unbox Therapy skeleton, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the pattern in the carbon fiber. Whoa. You're rocking something like that? That's a statement. Holy smokes, who's that dude? Hadoro MMDXL, I believe refers to this particular model. Otherwise, you're looking at an iPhone XS. Let's see if it has any juice. Of course it's dead though. Oh! Look at that. He's charging up right now. Look at the eyes change colors. Whoa. This is like a villain? Like a gangster in a movie or something, you know? The Kingpin. Kingpin is actually like a villain. Like it's a Marvel guy, right? There was a bowling thing with him. Kingpin. He's a kingpin. He's the king of the pins. Are you the like superhero like expert, Will? Amongst this group, you're the guy to talk to. Are you in the X-Men as well? Or if you were an X-Men, an X-Man, which one would you be? How dare you? I like Magneto as well, though. Got some juice, got some power here, and I thought it was just gonna be standard, but it looks like we have a custom Unbox Therapy-ish wallpaper going on. So Unbox Therapy lines and something that looks like the brushed carbon fiber that's on the back. See how that carries through? And look at him. He's happier than ever. This is for you if you're a comic book villain, if you're Magneto or Kingpin, or you're bad to the bone. See what I did there with the bones? You can fend off anything. The SWAT team, nobody, this is not Grand Theft Auto, but if it was Grand Theft Auto, this is the phone that you would have as the top villain. Will wants to be Magneto, by the way. If he has to be a superhero villain, that's who he chooses, and to be honest, it's a pretty good pick. I mean, that's a powerful dude. Picking up cars and floating. He seems kind of smart. The weird thing is, and we talked about this in the past, I always felt like Professor X is not just metal objects, but his like overall, he can do stuff, move some objects. Yes, he can. Wrong. He showed in early X-Men comics, he actually was telekinetic as well, but in a small scale.
Why would he be able to make himself walk then?
Because it's way cooler to float around. How does the thing move? Let the people talk about this. Will, you can look it up. Tell Kirky's wrong, because this dispute happened in our comment section years ago. You remember this. And people don't know the truth about Professor X. Okay, so like Will said, it's crazy expensive, But you can be certain that there's not gonna be other people out there doing what you're doing or living like you're living if you have the Hadoro Paris Feldenvolk custom skull carbon fiber gangster to the bone. There it is. Spend some cash, 5 G's, get it together.